Hi everybody, and welcome to 3D Survey tutorials. In this video, we'll be looking at Manipulate Points feature. This feature can be found under Polygon Selection in the Point Cloud tab. In the first row, we see Select, Deselect and Clear buttons. They are used for selecting the area we want to manipulate. To select the area, we click the Select button and circle the area we want to manipulate with left mouse clicks, while confirming our decision with the right mouse click. If we have selected too big of an area, we just click the Deselect button and repeat the same process as for the Select feature. In case we want to clear all the selected areas, we click Clear. When we have selected the desired area, we move to the second row where we can see the Delete Selected, Delete Other and Manipulate Points buttons. First, let's focus on the first two. They are very simple to use, as the Delete Selected button deletes the selected area from the point cloud, while Delete Other deletes the area that isn't selected. In this case, if we have made a mistake, we can use Undo and Redo buttons, found in the third row. Now, let's get to Manipulate Points feature. When we click the Manipulate Points button, we see four options for manipulating selected points. The first one is Set Height to, which sets the selected points to the desired altitude. We use it, for example, if we have an open landfill and we are trying to calculate how much volume we need to fill it. In this case, the first thing to do is to duplicate our point cloud by selecting it and clicking the Duplicate button located under the list of point clouds. I will also rename the point cloud so that I know which one is which. Make sure that after that you only have one selected, or you will work on both. After that, we use the Point Snapper feature to figure out the height of the point to which we want to fill the landfill. Then, after selecting that area, we click the Set Height button and put in the measured height. You will see that the points in the selected area will move to the desired altitude. If we then want to calculate the volume of the landfill, we must first make two DSMs, one from the manipulated point cloud and one from the one that wasn't manipulated. After that, we go to the Mesh tab, select them both, select the area we want to calculate volume to, and click the Calculate Volume button. The second option is called Increase Height. We use it, for example, if we came to the construction site too early and we know that there is some ground still going to be raised. We still finish our work with drone as usual. After we have created our point cloud, we select that area and click the Increase Height feature. In our case, I'll put in 0.6 meters and the area will be raised. In case you want to decrease the height of the area, you put in a negative number. The third feature is called Average. We use it, for example, when we are building a house on a hill and we want to determine where to set it so the fill and the cut areas will be as small as possible. The last feature is called Move, and it is used if we would like to move a specific selected area or entire point cloud for a specific vector. This function is very beneficial, considering you would have to do the whole project again, as choosing the coordinate system is one of the fundamental functions. To use it, we just select that area and click Move. After that, we put in the values to change the coordinate systems, and that is it. In addition, all these features can be also found in the Mesh tab under Polygon Selection, with exception of undo and redo buttons, and with the addition of the flatten button, which flattens the selected area in the DSM. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you and see you next time.